To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide like videos on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide like videos on TikTok, all you gotta do is simply go to your TikTok. So on TikTok you can simply get the like section. So here you can simply find videos which you have liked. So now people that are like in your public account, if your account is public, then they can simply see your liked videos. You can simply see there is an option where people can see your liked videos. So if you don't want others to see your liked videos and if you want to hide it, you need to simply go and tap open the hamburger like icon, go to settings and privacy, scroll down below, and all you gotta do is simply go to privacy center. So once you are in your privacy, you need to scroll down and there you can find the option called like videos. Here you can tap on only you, and once you're done, your liked videos will be hidden on your TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.